Today, we're going to be talking about these things. If you want to see the full video, go to raiseyourfrequency.net. I'm going to have the full video there. That is not edited. This video is heavily edited. Otherwise, they're going to ban me. Okay, in this episode, I'm going to keep it super easy again, like all my episodes. I try. In layman's terms. Do these masks save lives? Do they work? They do work, actually. In specialized rooms that are pressurized, like a hospital operating room. Let's see what they're for.
Starting with the mask that you should not use if you are scrubbed in the OR. This mask, I don't know if a lot of other hospitals have them. I would say this mask, as well as masks that have just the ear loops on the side of the mask, where you can just loop it around your ears and the mask sits over your face. Those types of masks are not designed for surgical use. It doesn't properly cup your face and under your chin as a tie-back mask would. If you are in surgery and you are doing surgery, you're at the field, the mask that you should be wearing is a proper tie-back mask. It's got ties at the top, ties at the bottom. You're going to be tying them on the top and bottom of your head. This is an important mask. This is your N95 respirator mask. This is for tuberculosis patients, TB patients. If you have a patient that comes into the OR and it's noted that they have TB, it's important for you that you wear this mask. They have different sizes because it's absolutely important that this seals to your face perfectly. So to put this N95 mask on, it's got two little tapes on the inside. Pull it over your face. In the back, crease it over the bridge of your nose and gradually push down across your face to get that seal above your nose, and it automatically seals under your chin. It is super, super uncomfortable to wear this mask. You're like, it's sealed so tight that you're just constantly, oh God. So let's go over proper technique on putting this tie mask on your face. So personally, when you get the mask out of the box, it's flat. I like to open it up and kind of crease where I want my nose to be. I'll put my nose right in that crease, pull down the mask underneath my chin, and take the top strings up over the top of my head and tie the drawstring. Now I won't tie it too tight, and I'll show you why. Take these back behind your neck, underneath your ears. Now your nose already has that pre-crease that we put in, but it's important to push it down again and crease it down over your face. That is the way a mask should be. It should be nice, up against your chin, up against your neck, and sealed across the top of your face. The only openings are right here in the sides. The only openings are right here in the sides. The only openings are right here in the sides.
Now let's take a look at a little clip here of why surgeons wear masks.
Because masks stop people from coughing or sneezing or spitting into an open wound that is sterile. They also stop blood from spattering from a patient into your face. That's why you wear a mask.
Have you ever asked yourself this in the past 2.5 years? I did. Why don't surgeons wear N95 masks? They block out they block out the most, basically. The reason why is because when surgeons wear them, in an operating room, in a hospital operating room, that room is a special pressurized room. It's pressurized and it has a special ventilation system, meaning, well, the way it works is everything that you exhale, all right, your breath, the moisture comes out of your mouth and all that, and whatever else. I mean, unless it's not big drops where the gravity is going to, make it fall down. When you exhale or breathe in a pressurized room, in an operating room, the draft brings it up into a special filter system and it gets filtered there. So that whatever you're breathing out can't spread around, can't float around the room, then maybe go outside once the doors are open, go outside. So it's a special room, pressurized room, and masks work there because, as you can see, when the regular type of mask that surgeons wear, where they tied, which you just saw the video, it's better than over the ears, they leak a bit.
The only openings are right here in the sides.
So you could breathe, so you could exhale. And when you exhale, anything that's, any kind of spit, anything that's heavy, spit, drool, anything like that is captured, by the mask. But everything else that's really small, like maybe a virus, goes out the side.
The only openings are right here in the sides.
But they're not worried in an operating room because they have a special pressurized room. So those masks work great. It's very easy to say, look, they wear them in an operating room, so I'm going to wear it in real life and it's going to help. Do you see the difference? The other one, those masks are kind of designed to work in that pressurized room. They're not made to work in a non-pressurized room. The only thing it's going to do is capture your spit and droplets. So if you're sick and you're coughing and sneezing, yeah, wear a mask. Also, I don't know if you ever looked at the box of masks that you bought. It says clearly on there, does not protect you from viruses. And if we look over here, so let's compare the size difference of viruses and smoke or vape. As you can see here, I believe this is in microns. So the viruses are about 0.005 to 0.3 microns big, and tobacco smoke is much bigger, 0.01 to 4 microns. This colorful chart here also gives you an idea of the size difference of viruses and other small things. Viruses is one of the smallest things on this chart. You got to remember that. So if you like this video, now's the time to subscribe. Now's the time to hit that like. And now's the time to share it. And if you want to see the full video, go to raiseyourfrequency.net. I'm going to have the full video there that is not edited. This video is heavily edited. Otherwise, they're going to ban me. So remember this. Never forget. Centralized power is cancer to society. Love, light, and healing.